Hey guys, today I have for you a review. Today I am going to review the My Life as Grill playset. So let's open it up. I have this little box to put the small, I have the little box, chest thing, whatever you want to call it, to put the small pieces in. So yeah, let's get started opening the grill, My Life as Grill playset. Really super excited. So here it is in full review. So yeah, hold on, I'm gonna get situated to review this for you guys, or open it for you guys. Please excuse me for a moment. I'm just fixing myself here. So yeah, sometimes when you're about to do an opening, you have to get situated. So that is exactly what I am doing. So here is the, hold on, one more second. Here's the My Life as Grill set in full effect. So now let's go ahead and open it. I will show you the pieces as I go. Let's just set up the camera so that you guys can hopefully see. Okay, can you see? Okay. I don't think you can see. Let me adjust the camera so that you can see. You know, you gotta see this opening. Alright. I'm just moving the bag. So, as you can see, I am opening it. But it is very hard to open. This is my first opening video that I've ever done on my channel. Can you believe it? Wait. And I don't even know how to open the package. Ah. This is package opening life right here, people. This is why I never like film openings. Sorry to all of you out there who don't like plastic noise. I'm really sorry. But you know, it's gonna take me forever. Really, My Life? Why did you have to make your packaging so hard? Okay guys, just ripping the back off. I don't know why. Ooh, I'm really excited. Are you guys? I am. Who is really excited? I am so excited. Whoa! Hopefully everything doesn't pop out. It smells like pure plastic. Alright, guys. I got that part off. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the pieces. to assemble the burgers. Well, wait, hold on, I have to. I have to assemble them. Help. Wait, I think I... Anyways, so there's our little burger. I'm going to go ahead and put that in our chest of specialty. And then we also have another burger. Okay. And then we have the little spatula if you wanted to cook the burgers. And then you have a cool little grill here with this little here. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to get this out without making a mess. And I am making a mess. So this is supposed to go on top of like this part. So let's do that. And then after you have it assembled like that, that part is just supposed to go on like that. So that is the grill itself. And then these are like tongs to pick up the burger, which is just stick in our special chest of goodness. And then I'll take this little piece off. It comes with 2 little napkins. And I'm going to put them in the chest of goodness. So, yeah, and then it came with 2 of these shrimp skewer kebabs, whatever you want to call them. So, shrimp skewer kebabs. And then it came with a little, it came with 2 little red baskets to put the burgers in. So, yeah. So that was the first place that I'm just putting my garbage in the Walmart bag, and then I'll do my outro. No. No. Sorry, that was my mom. Anyways, I'm putting the garbage in here. So anyways, here, I'm just gonna, sorry about all the noise. But yeah. Go up there. I'm trying to, okay. The bag won't stay. Okay, anyways, that is the end of me unboxing the My Life as grill set. I think it is super cute. So down in the comments below, let me know what you guys think of it. And please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye. I will see you in my next video.